the last couple of weeks, we've been concentrating so much on the inside of the house, but now the sheetrock finishers have their run of the place. Now it's time to concentrate on a few loose ends outside. Our brick masons are just about complete with every bit of the brickwork they've done on the outside. Then our stucco contractor will be back soon to finish the skirting to blend it in with the existing house, and our painters are well underway to make the outside of this place look awesome. Because all of the trim work is pre-primed composite material, they start by filling nail holes and caulking the joints between pieces. Next, they'll cover all of those surfaces with a consistent coat of primer. We're using Zinsser's high-hide oil-based cover stain primer and sealer because it's excellent for penetrating and sealing a variety of surfaces, which this house certainly has plenty of. After that, the first coat of finish paint, and this place starts to take on a brand new look. Then spraying the stain on the shakes really puts it over the top. To go with that, we're cleaning up the old bricks and removing the years of dirt, mold, and mildew to help them match the new bricks even better.